All here I am with the solution of yet another word problem, okay, of linear equation of class 8th. Here in this question we have to find the number whose 2/3 is 20 less than that given number. Okay, मतलब जो नंबर है ओरिजिनल नंबर का जब हम 2/3 निकालते हैं तो वो जो 2/3 होता है वो ओरिजिनल नंबर के कितना कम होता है, कितना उससे कम होता है, 20 कम होता है, 20 लेस देन होता है. ओके, तो हम लोग ओरिजिनल नंबर को वी विल बी कंसिडरिंग एज x. ओके, नाउ सो लेट द ओरिजिनल नंबर be x. Children, always just when you understand the problem here, word problem here, what is written here, if you understand that well, then there is no difficulty, okay, to form the equation. You will not face any difficulty in framing the equation, okay. But for that you need to understand the problem, what is given actually, what we have to find, what we have to consider as the variable, okay, that unknown variable, that's the value that we need to find. Okay, so first go through the question well. I'm repeating it in my every video, that repeat unless and until you get what you have to find. Okay, then only you can frame the equation correctly. Okay, so we have to consider the original number as x. Okay, and the condition according to this, the 2/3 of a number. Okay, so 2/3 of this number, that is we have considered as x. 2/3 of that number will be 2/3 of x. Of means multiply. Okay, 2/3 2/3 into x. Okay, now what is given according to the question, what we have, that this 2/3 of this number is 20 less than the original number, that is the original number is x. Okay, तो we have to set up an equation, मतलब हम दोनों के बीच में equality we have to bring. ओके, तो अगर हम इसमें 20 माइनस करेंगे ये तो और छोटा हो जाएगा ना, उससे छोटा रहेगा, तो वी हैव टू पुट द लेसर देन मार्क. ओके, the sign of lesser than. So in order to put that equality sign, we need to make this two equal. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 20 in this original number, so that 2/3 of this and this original number will become equal, and we will get an equation. So according to the question, okay, so 2/3 of x is lesser than the original number by 20. Got it? Now what we have to do, we will bring the same terms on one side. So it is having the variable x and this is having x, so we are going to bring it here. X minus 2 by 3x is equal to minus 20 will go this side, so it will become plus 20. Okay, and we take the LCM, 1 and 3, 3. So it will become 3x minus 2x is equal to 20. 3x minus 2x will be x only, and 3 यहाँ डिवाइड है, जब साइड ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा तो वो 20 के साथ it will get multiplied, so it will become x is equal to 20 into 3, that is 60. So children, the original number we got as 60. Okay, you can check the answer of yours. Okay, how you can put your variables, whatever variables value we have got, we are going to put it in the left hand side and in the right hand side of the equation. And if the right hand side and the left hand side both are equal, it means that your answer that you have got is correct. Okay, so children, hope you're fine with the explanation. Then kindly subscribe to the channel and show your support to me. Thank you so very much.